Hello. I love you, Papa. He's so funny when his face is squished like that. Oh, so cute though. He's learned how to cuddle with me, and I love it. High five. Yeah. What the heck, doggy? Alright, me and Shane are supposed to go to Ape today so he can get his MDX looked over. Apparently there's something wrong with it, but also my E36 is still there, and the Celica. We're still waiting on the ECU. The one that I ordered from eBay got damaged at some point during the delivery, and we've been waiting for it for like 2 weeks for me to get a notice saying that it was returned back to Kentucky, damaged. So I quickly went to Monkey Wrench Racing, ordered me a new ECU from a 2001 manual GTS, and hopefully that'll arrive in the next few days. But I do want to show you guys the progress on the Celica. The 2ZZ engine is actually in, so maybe we can go over some of the details on exactly what the fellas at Ape did to the Celica while it was out of commission these past 2 weeks. Let's get today started. You know what sucks about having a dog? What's the little quail crossing happening right now? What? There's so many of them. Okay, what I was gonna say was, what sucks about having a dog that has a natural, sad-looking face? Just feel sorry for him all the time. So now I'm gonna bring him to the garage. I wasn't actually planning to, but hopefully Shomai is there, aka Sunny's dog. He named his dog after dim sum. At least if he's there, the dogs can tire themselves out, and then I don't have to worry about entertaining Gohan. I just feel bad when he's home alone. Hey, bruh, the Cyberpunk B is one hell of a reliable winter daily. Like, it hasn't let me down yet. This kid went into Shane's car so easily. Like, he just opened the door and he hopped in. Whereas like the other day, go on, hey, homie. Well, maybe I should bring him to the shop. Depends how long we are here. But yeah, we're here at Ape. I brought the dog because like I said, I felt bad. Bring you inside. I still have to put my E36 back together. And then hopefully I can bring that to the new shop, which is only like a minute down that way anyway. And we're here to diagnose this thing. Go on, come on, here, up, transfer. Please, please. He looks at me, up. Yeah. All right, homie, give me a bit, okay? Thanks. Actually, no, that's not bad. Just gotta push that down. This sounds good. Alright, let's check out the Celica. It literally is only just waiting for the ECU now. Jeez. Engine's all in there, cleaned up. I got the word from Monkey Wrench. The ECU is gonna be here on Monday. What happened was the person I ordered it from eBay sent it from Kentucky, and then I kept trying to track it, and it just said it was stuck in Kentucky. And then this morning, eBay, like I asked for a refund because I'm like, you know what, I just ended up ordering from somewhere else. eBay gave me the refund without asking any questions because they said that the ECU got damaged during the delivery, and then they just sent it back. But they never gave me a word or anything, so it was such a waste, man.
Michael did a custom bracket for the throttle cable.
Oh, like he custom fabbed it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so injector is already in.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much he did a 3D printing for the tube. We got a 90-degree silicone hoses. Michael also donated EU air filter over there. So we're gonna just run the air filter right here.
Dude, hold up. I want to check this 3D printing job. I didn't even notice that. What? Did you design that himself or something?
Michael did.
Oh.
The design off someone.
Oh, sweet. But that's still cool, man. Can't believe you guys can do that. Yeah. Like, I wanted to do custom piping for my FRS for the longest time. That's perfect.
So, yeah, pretty much. So, pretty much just the ECU, the intake,
Yeah.
and all the fluids, and we're good to go for the first try on the starting.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Yeah, the sooner we get that ECU and just gonna bring it here. Yeah, you guys have done work. Again, Michael, appreciate it, homie. Thank you. I'm gonna come to you for all my questions.
So we're basically pretty much swapping, kind of mixing like all the glue parts from the 1ZZ.
Yes.
And kind of like all the glue parts goes into that.
Man, it looks clean. It's good to know that you guys really know what
when
you're
we take
doing.
it off, we labeled everything, so everything goes back where it is.
Yeah, I see that too. It just needs to be started now. The fact that you guys can literally do this yourselves at home, what's stopping you guys? That's genial. All right, man. So yeah, all we're really waiting on now is the ECU. So once we get that in, it'll be first startup for the Celica. I'm so excited. It starts raining. What the? Ace. That's more flush than it was before.
This side first.
Yeah, it's okay. When I wrap it, I have to take them off anyway. All one piece. Yeah, most likely. We'll see you in a bit, man. Have a good day. Thanks for letting me use the space. See you, man. Han wants to meet the puppy. All right, go on. Hey, come on, homie. Oh, he already knows. Who's that? Say hi.
I probably have some dog smell on me. I have a Yorkie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's probably why he's super chill. Yeah, who's that? Yeah, this is my little bear.
Yeah, they all have dogs.
Oh, that's cool. Go on, say hi. Who's that?
So fluffy.
Yeah. Now, yeah, you can drive the Sign XB if you don't mind. Appreciate it, man. I'm gonna tell him to keep your MDX. All right, Gohan, let's go. And honestly, guys, we'll show you just how close our shop is to Ape. So Ape is just right there, and then my friend Josh's paint shop, auto body shop, is just right here. Assured Auto Body. Oh, there's Shane. Get back here with my, yo, Gohan's following. No, Gohan. What the hell, Gohan? Watch out. He's like, don't leave me, don't leave me.
What's for lunch, birdie?
Oh, I know, double quarter pounder. What the hell? Yo, let's race him, Gohan, come on, come on. Yip, yip. Woo. That was like a 2-minute walk. Well, I ran. Hey, welcome to our new shop.
Still smell the fresh paint.
Hey. What's up, fellas? Did you just say lunchtime?
Lunchtime, yeah.
What are you guys ordering?
Pizza pop.
Oh, what the F? We were thinking McDonald's. That's what we're doing, quarter pounders, classic. Decided while we're waiting for Shane's car to get fixed, we're gonna work on the RX-8 a little bit. And what we're gonna be doing is just gonna be wrapping the roof gloss black. And we actually got some spare 3M right here. This shouldn't take us any longer than like an hour or so. What's cool is actually this rubber liner is painted the same exact yellow, whereas it usually is black. Watch out, Gohan. Don't want to run you over.
Dude, it's one of these sunroofs. It doesn't go inside, it goes up over the roof.
When we're wrapping though,
So we're gonna have to close it.
I'll cut that part. I do want to go do the inside.
Yeah.
Like this?
But you know what I mean? The roof is like on top of the roof.
Yeah.
So we'll just close it for now.
Yeah, exactly. Bye-bye.
Alright, I'm gonna start it.
What, really? We can just roll it.
I could.
You just want to hear it. No, yeah, let's not. We don't have an HVAC in here yet.
Okay, yeah.
Yo, are you actually? Oh, what? I'm doing it by one hand.
Gohan wanted to come in here, I saw his face.
Gohan's helping. Oh, watch out, Gohan!
Gee,
Huh?
you're strong.
Yeah, check it.
I'm not doing anything.
Yo, Angus is helping. Yeah. Go on, watch out, dude. Seriously. Yo, this is okay. Yeah, good enough lighting. Thanks, Angus.
FNYK, fly state if you know. Yeah. Whoa. Hood, shopping, good, product, wine, dope, need, profit.
At least this has a protective layer, so you don't have to worry about scratching it with the squeegee. But this is just regular gloss black by 3M.
Blue magic to the competition. Still ducking government suspicion. Frank Lucas music edition. You can hit the block with this shit. Blue magic to the competition. Still ducking government suspicion. Frank Lucas music edition.
Bird on your mom. Don't worry, it's not on.
You always say that.
Is it or is it not?
You trap me.
Entrapment.
Yeah.
Something this kid knows a lot of.
What were you saying earlier? You want to tell the camera?
Yeah. W the fact. I'm definitely not keeping that in the vlog.
Good job, Blob.
Hey! That looks like a what?
A blob?
What?
A bumblebee.
A bumblebee. Alright, man. Put these trim pieces back on. Wipe it though.
Yeah.
Check this. Hood blacked out. Hey. Bang. Hi, go home. Hi, I'm here. Hi. Oh, what's up? What the heck? I'm here. What the heck? You got the little one. Jeez, protect me, go on. I know.
So much.
Freaking go on, rip the little one's shirt. Hi.
What you gonna done do? What you gonna done do?
Go on.
Mr. Gohan, hello.
Who's that? He's antsy. Yo, you wanna see a starfish?
He said that.
Peace.
Oh, peace?
Yeah.
Peace.
What the heck? Yo, I'm gonna check out these new sticks. Sticks and stones may break your bones, but you're a big fat
Douchebag. I can go worse. I don't think the viewers will like that.
Bruh, new sticks. So many stickers. Guys, this is actually one of my favorites. Pick up your Ninja Jollibees. And you got the new ones. Todoroki, Hawks, like the hat battle damage All Might. That's why he has one bang going down. Oh, and also we're still getting the newer ones made. It's Gwen, Kakashi, Gojo, which is like Kakashi 2. And then, oh, Inuyasha. Yes, you guys, a lot of you, I know we're waiting for that one specifically. Show the folks at home what you can do. Come on. Here you go, home. Gotta go. Hey, I keep catching those. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it a night. I brought Gohan home because he was feeling antsy and he was around the little dog for a little too long. Well, actually, those guys are a really good dynamic and they knew each other when they were babies, so they get along really well. The next few days here, well, tomorrow I do have an RX day planned and we're actually gonna start cutting up the body, but not for the wide body. Spoiler alert, it's just gonna be for the spoiler, so big Wangan Midnight. And also, just so you guys know, the color that I took a photo with for the thumbnail of this video wasn't actually the color that we're gonna be using for the E36, but I do have a particular theme in mind. You guys are just gonna have to stay tuned or just subscribe so that you guys are up to date with me. And also you guys can follow me on the Instagram. That's where I keep you guys more up to date on a regular basis. Okay, dude. What? Speak. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Appreciate you for watching. As always, make sure you subscribe if you want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel. Hit that sub button with notification button tick, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Peace. What are you waiting for? So Gohan's actually made friends with these guys, and they love taking him for walks. Saves me the trouble of walking him myself. Here he comes. Jeez, man, so excited.